Hi everyone. One of my favorite quotes from Einstein goes, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." And I know in order to manifest any art, you have to be able to visualize it first. So this year in Patreon, what I want to do is teach you how to envision what has not yet become in your artwork. And that's going to require a lot of presence and a lot of looking and perceiving, and then you'll be able to begin to see what are the possibilities that are showing themselves to you in the tonal spaces and the colored forms. This is very important for today because we all know that it's been a really hard time, and in order to come through this, we need to see inside ourselves the possibilities for the future. And that's what Envisionism is going to do. Teach you the ability to develop your imagination so you can see what's actually presenting itself to you and do original art and even problem solve in your life. So I hope you're going to join me on Patreon as we progress through the different levels and learn how to envision what's really becoming.